We know that light helps us see all the objects around us. We also know that it can originate from sources like the sun, an electric bulb, or even a little firefly. But what is light? Is it made up of waves? Or is it made up of tiny particles like atoms? The journey of finding answers to these questions led researchers to the foundation of a revolutionary field of modern physics, the quantum mechanics. Our story begins in the 17th century when Isaac Newton gave the corpuscle model of light. Newton said that light is made up of very tiny particles called corpuscles, which are emitted when any source of light is switched on. Using this theory, he was able to explain the phenomena people knew of in those times, like reflection and bending of light in water. Around the same time, a Dutch physicist, Christian Huygens, had another story to tell. He said that light is made up of waves, which are disturbances that travel in a medium much like a sound wave. Even his theory was able to explain the phenomena of reflection and bending of light. Hence, this made the nature of light a debatable question. Is light made up of particles or waves? However, since Newton had a high reputation in those times, his particle model was a popular choice. In 1801, Newton was challenged again. An experiment by a British polymath, Thomas Young, brought the wave theory to the forefront. Young's experiment was something like this. He took a monochromatic source of light, that is, light of a single color, and made it pass through two vertical narrow slits cut in an opaque plate. The light from the slits was collected on a screen, and what he observed changed the game totally. If we take Newton's particle model of light, we would think that light from the two slits will travel in a straight line and mark two bright spots on the screen, right? But this is not what happened. The screen showed an alternating pattern of dark and bright bands. How was this possible? Newton's particle model failed to explain so. Young could, however, explain this using the wave model. A wave is a disturbance moving through a medium. The wave theory says that when two waves interact with each other, they interfere to produce a combined effect. The two waves superimpose on each other. That is, the net displacement at any point is the sum of the individual wave displacement. Thus, when light waves pass from the two slits, they reach the screen after interacting with each other in their paths. Depending on how they interact, they add up or cancel each other out, and we see alternating bright and dark bands. We had an experiment which could only be explained by the Huygens wave theory. Later on, many other experiments backed up the wave nature of light. Fresnel and Fraunhofer demonstrated the phenomenon of diffraction of light that could only be explained with the wave model. In 1860, James Clerk Maxwell went on to show that light is an electromagnetic wave with a speed of 3 × 10⁸ meters per second in vacuum. Thus, in the 19th century, wave model of light was gaining control in the field of physics. But it was soon to be challenged again.